A forgotten legend, left to the mercy of the unforgiving desert. This once majestic luxury car, now a hollow shell of its former glory, sits abandoned under the harsh sun. Its body, once a symbol of status, is now scarred by rust and neglect. The headlights, once piercing the night, are now shattered eyes staring into nothingness. A thick layer of dust blankets its every curve, a shroud over a lost dream, while the dark, cinematic light paints a portrait of decay and forgotten elegance. Every inch of this wreck tells a story of decline. Extreme close-ups reveal the deep wounds inflicted by time and the elements. Flakes of rust peel away like shedding skin, exposing the vulnerable metal beneath. Deep scratches etch a history of hardship across its panels, while significant dents mar its once perfect form. These are not just imperfections. They are the battle scars of a vehicle that has been forsaken, a testament to the slow, relentless process of decay. But even the deepest grime cannot withstand the force of renewal. A powerful stream of high-pressure water begins the cleansing process, a baptism for the forgotten machine. In deeply satisfying shots, years of accumulated mud, dust, and rust are blasted away. The water cascades over the broken frame, washing away the past and revealing the solid structure that has endured beneath the filth, hinting at the potential for a glorious comeback. Back in the hallowed space of the workshop, the true rebirth commences. Skilled mechanics, artisans of metal and machine, descend upon the wounded vehicle. With meticulous care, they hammer out dents, smoothing the battered panels with expert precision. Welding torches ignite the air with a shower of brilliant sparks, fusing new life into the old frame as broken and irreplaceable parts are painstakingly repaired or replaced. This is where engineering and artistry collide to reverse the ravages of time. The first glimpse of the transformation is a breathtaking study in contrast. The car stands divided, a visual metaphor for its journey from ruin to royalty. One half gleams in a coat of lustrous, shiny gold, while the other is cloaked in a sleek metallic silver. This striking split transformation look is a bold statement, a promise of the extraordinary masterpiece that is about to emerge from the chrysalis of its former self. At last, the vision is complete. The car is no longer split but whole, a seamless fusion of precious metals. The gold and silver paints blend into a unique custom design, creating a surface so polished it reflects the world like a flawless mirror. Its finish boasts an unparalleled liquid-like shine, giving the once-abandoned vehicle an undeniably royal and commanding presence. Every line and curve now radiates opulence. The grand reveal arrives with the morning sun. Bathed in brilliant natural light, the fully restored car is unveiled. A slow, dramatic rotation captures its breathtaking beauty from every angle, the sunlight dancing across its flawless, gleaming body. It stands not just as a restored car, but as a resurrected icon, a rolling sculpture that commands attention and inspires awe. This is what it's all for. The moment the dream takes to the open road. The magnificent gold and silver creation glides effortlessly down the highway, a moving masterpiece against the blur of the landscape. The sun catches its glossy surface, creating brilliant, dazzling reflections that signal its triumphant return. No longer a forgotten wreck, it is a symbol of power and luxury, reborn to rule the asphalt once more.